Hello friends and welcome to Ticker TV's commodity market update with Jatin Trivedi. I am senior research analyst with LKPs for commodities and currencies. So for this week we are looking at the bullion prices on the sideways to range bound market, whereas the higher levels of 48,000 will act as a small resistance point for gold prices and 46,500 will act as a supportive zone for gold. This range bound market seems a little bit on the positive side for gold prices, as we have seen a good amount of short covering rally recently. And then if the prices are holding on the higher side, then the rally can continue, taking the prices beyond 48,000 eventually. So if and all the prices keep sustaining at higher levels, and even if the rally is small and not big rallies, but if it is still positive, then the prices outlook will remain positive for the gold prices going ahead. Now on the silver front, the prices are looking positive again for the targets of 71,000, 71,500 for this week. On the lower end, 69,000 will act as a supportive zone, but if and all prices do start below 69,000, then we can expect some more profit booking happening in the silver front as well. Now moving on to the next segment, which is the energy spec. Natural gas prices look still positive on the higher side. 290, 295 is acting as a small hurdle, but if and all prices keep on taking small jumps, and if the prices keep on closing higher as they have seen in the last couple of weeks, 295 to 300 will quite be achievable in the coming days to come. On the lower side, 265 to 270 will act as a very strong supportive zone for natural gas prices. Till the time it is holding those levels on closing basis, one should be looking at this commodity as a very strong bullish commodity as of now. Now, the last segment, which is the energy pack, the base metal packs. Overall, all the base metals look range bound to positive after the rallies that we have seen in the last couple of sessions. Strong short covering rallies being witnessed in all the base metals. The levels need to be holding their placements respectively on the each and every base metals. So for example, if the copper prices keep holding 720 on closing basis, we can expect further more short covering rallies, which will take the copper prices to 740 745 zone, which is the next resistance point for copper, which is the very strong resistance point in fact. Till the time 745 is not breached on the higher side, we are not expecting very strong moves in the copper prices. So this is a range bound to positive week. It is expected on the base metal front. The levels which are important for copper is 725 for buying and for entering the copper prices, keeping the stop loss below 720 and aiming for the targets of 735 to 740. Another base metal which is looking quite positive in this scenario is the lead prices. The lead prices last week have given a strong breakout, a multi-year breakout, which we have seen last week, and prices sustaining at those levels will give some positive momentum as well. So till the time prices are closing above 170, one needs to take this commodity as a buy on dip strategy. Any dip into the prices towards 175 to 177 is a very strong entry point for the targets of 185 to 190 in coming sessions. And overall, I think the commodity is get set to reach the 200 mark after a very long time. So this is about it from me, guys, on the commodities market front with Ticker TV. Hope to catch you all next week again. Thank you.